Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a new YouTube channel with a new Gmail. Now I have already added my new Gmail into my YouTube. Now I have already added my new Gmail. As you guys can see, I'm getting nothing in the home feed because I haven't searched yet. So for you guys to add your new Gmail, just simply click on your profile picture at the top right. Now in here, click on switch account. And in here you would see add account button. So just click on it. It will take you to the Google login page, add in your new Gmail, and the new Gmail would be added. Now, once we're done with this, just simply click on this button right here. And in here, in the first menu, you would see create a channel right here. So just simply click on it. Now in here, you would have to select a picture, add the name of the channel and the handle of the channel. And after that, just simply click on create channel. And as you guys can see, it shows your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. So my channel will be created after some time. So that is pretty much it. And that is how you can create a new YouTube channel with a new Gmail account. Hope you guys liked it and this video helped you. And if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.